Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why some cars reach their destination faster than others, even when they travel the same distance? Or how a speedometer instantly tells you how fast your vehicle is moving? Today, we are going to understand one of the most basic and important concepts of physics, speed. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what speed is, its formula, types, special cases, and real-life applications. So let's get started. Introduction to speed. Speed is a fundamental concept related to motion. Whenever an object moves, it covers some distance in a certain amount of time. Speed helps us measure how fast that object is moving. From walking to driving, from flowing rivers to flying airplanes, speed plays a role everywhere in our daily life. In physics, speed provides a simple way to describe motion without worrying about direction. Definition of speed. Speed is defined as the distance traveled by an object per unit time. In simple words, speed tells us how much distance an object covers in 1 second, 1 minute, or 1 hour. For example, if a car travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour, its speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Formula and SI unit of speed, 2 to 3 minutes. Mathematically, speed is expressed as speed equals distance divided by time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second, m/s. Other commonly used units include kilometer per hour, km/h, centimeter per second, cm/s. In numerical problems, unit conversion is very important, especially in exams. Nature of speed, scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity, which means it has only magnitude and no direction. This is a very important point. Speed tells us how fast an object is moving, but it does not tell us where the object is moving, north, south, east, or west. Because of this, speed is different from velocity, which includes direction. Types of speed. Now let's understand the different types of speed. Uniform speed. An object is said to move with uniform speed if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Example: a car moving at a constant speed of 50 kilometers per hour on a straight highway. Non-uniform speed. An object has non-uniform speed if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Example: a bus moving through city traffic where it frequently speeds up and slows down. Average speed. Average speed is defined as the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Average speed equals total distance divided by total time. This is useful when speed keeps changing during motion. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed is the speed of an object at a particular moment of time. Example: the reading shown on a vehicle's speedometer at any instant. Special cases of speed. Zero speed. When an object is at rest, its speed is zero. Even if it traveled earlier, at the moment it stops, its speed becomes zero. Speed in circular motion. In circular motion, speed may remain constant, but the direction of motion keeps changing. This means speed can be constant even when velocity is changing. Speed is never negative. Speed is always positive or zero. It can never be negative because distance traveled is never negative. Difference between speed and velocity. Although speed and velocity are related, they are not the same. Speed is based on distance and has no direction. Velocity is based on displacement and includes direction. That is why speed is scalar, while velocity is vector. Importance and applications of speed. Speed is extremely important in real life. Used in transportation to measure vehicle performance. Speed limits help prevent accidents. Used in sports to analyze athlete performance. Used in engineering, aviation, and meteorology. Without understanding speed, analyzing motion would be impossible. Conclusion. To summarize, speed is the distance traveled per unit time. It is a scalar quantity that tells us how fast an object is moving. Understanding speed is essential for learning motion, velocity, and acceleration in physics. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing learning content.